Good day, dear televiewers, and welcome to SMUHI News Flash. While the master students of the School of Health and Human Services were defending their thesis, 4 undergraduate students of the School of Science, Engineering and Technology equally defended their research and design projects. Our correspondent, Amy Dave, had this covered.
The main objective of this research project is to identify and highlight the importance of a microcontroller-based main switch wireless control system.
Because of lack of information and job orientation, people are not actually informed about opportunities that are available.
The digital clock in this project can be used in SMUHI institution to ensure accuracy and precision when administering standardized testing and timed events such as lectures.
Like display, enforce, log.
These research and design projects were chaired and supervised by Engineer Wilson Tala Taza. His impressions were captured in this excerpt.
I would say that the level was quite high, and all of us saw how the candidates presented very interesting design project, which is something practical, something they did with their own hands. This is a long-time tradition with SMUHI. If you want to compare the candidates with students that we see outside, you will see that they are at that same level, even with state universities, and even in some cases even higher. Like the first candidate who presented, we were really impressed with his design project and his mastery of his work. And this is a proof that the students have gone through thorough and rigorous training here at SMUHI. This is important for others outside there, other young Cameroonians who are aspiring to reach this level, which is a level that the country is actually getting towards. To come here at SMUHI in order to be trained in the same manner and to get to that same level that we have put our students, and we always put our students.
Firstly, I want to give all the glory to God who has made it a success today. Today is a joyous day in my life. I say thanks be to God and thanks be to St. Monica University Higher Institute, SMUHI, for at least imparting me with the knowledge and with the enablement and the ability for me to actually come through all this project, and all thanks to my supervisor for his keen attention, for his keen supervision, making sure that this project comes to reality. I feel so happy. Thank you.